of twilight dreams, whispers of the past where secrets gleam. Harp strings hum the soft celestial breeze. Violin soars in the moonlit stream. Oh, the mystery, the love, the Lord, in every note a secret more. Ethereal flutes in the fading light, dancing with the stars in the night. Guitar's gentle touch, like a lover's sigh. In the darkness, a tender lie, flute's haunting tune in the misty air, a soulful plea in the silence rare. Emerald leaves in the moon's embrace, memories linger in the gentle grace. Harps, arpeggios, like a whispered prayer, violins know